Hey guys. Guys. This is the video, guys. Get over here. Hey guys. Hey guys. Get over here, guys. It's that video. This is an actual video from NASA. The sun's blowing up. Look at that. Whoa. This is for real. It's the sun, guys. Guys, the sun. This is some scary stuff. Guys, you gotta see this. Guys, get over here. Guys, quick. It's true. It's true. The sun isn't exploding. Hey, look.
Well, it's just a video effect. It's not really the sun exploding. It's just some people on the internet. It's like us right now on the internet. It's all made up stuff. It's not for real.
It's for real. That's the sun. That's NASA. NASA made this video. NASA made the video. What's his name was telling us about it. It's true. I told you we should have stayed away from the internet in the first place.
What are you talking about? Stay away from the internet in the first place. All you ever do is watch the bloody internet.
That looks like a conspiracy too, man. The guy, what's his face, is telling us all about all the conspiracies. It's an internet conspiracy. But this ain't a conspiracy. That's the sun right there. And it's blowing up.
We'll just relax, buddy. It's not that big of a deal. Anyways, today you're starting to get on me about all this conspiracies and sun blowing up. Go watch this video. Come on now, relax.
This shit's for real, man.